Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I'm here this morning. It's actually not Christmas morning when we're filming this, but I love doing this video every year where I show what I got for Christmas. It's just really fun, and my birthday is actually a few days before Christmas, so this is kind of a combination between, birthday and Christmas gifts. But we're gonna save the really good gifts for the kids on Christmas morning, so when you're watching this video, that's probably what we're doing. But Josh apparently got me something pretty cool.
It's a big one.
I don't know.
I got two really good gifts this year, so I'm pumped.
So we're gonna find out what that is. And then I do just wanna say, I don't know what I got yet, but I did get you something.
You did.
So you can tell, and he already knows what it is.
Yeah, I got these sweet off-road truck lights for the truck I just got, which they look awesome.
So don't think that he didn't get treated as well.
For sure.
But anyway, I just wanted the kids to say hi to everyone.
Hi.
But they're gonna go down, they're gonna go play while we do this. But I don't know, it's like a family thing, and anyway, let's go ahead.
Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Go ahead.
Hi.
Run along.
Okay, so the very first gift I actually just wanted to show because I bought it for myself, and this is much needed. You guys won't even care about
Very
this,
much
but
needed.
I'm really excited about it. It's a MacBook Pro laptop. I have had the same MacBook Air for so many years. I even bought it refurbished, and it's done me well. However, it's starting to get a little bit slow, so this is just much needed.
It's gonna be nice.
It's gonna be really nice. Although I'm kind of intimidated. I just feel like I have all of my things set up, saved and set up. So anyway, but still, this is for me. Yay! Now's the time we're gonna set up. You said that there's something else that's bigger that we have to
it is. I've been trying to hide this in my office for weeks now. I'm gonna set it up, and then we're gonna bring you out, eyes closed, and we're gonna do the big reveal.
Okay.
Hopefully you like it. I don't know.
Okay, we'll see.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, stop. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness! I really. Oh. It's like the camel leather. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! I did not expect this. Wow. Oh, now we need to get you one.
I know.
Oh my gosh! I really like it.
I won.
You did a good job. I'm really good job. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Thank you.
See if the helmet fits. I don't even know if it's gonna fit.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, maybe it's complicated.
It fits. It'll be good. It'll be good.
Okay, so now we're on to the big one. This is the big Christmas gift. Okay, so to preface, it's something I know she wants. She's looked at it several times, but you will not buy it for yourself. There's no chance you will. So I went ahead and got it for her. You work super hard. You deserve this 100%. So you need to close your eyes.
I'm scared.
While I bring it out. I have it right back here.
I'm really
3,
scared.
2, 1.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Open it.
I don't even know.
There's possibilities. You gotta open it up.
I'm shaking. I'm really nervous, but excited. So this is Cartier. I'm obsessed with Cartier.
If you can't already tell.
I love handbags, okay, guys? But honestly, this is where it's at for me, I think. I don't even know. Well,
Yeah, literally. Hopefully she likes it. Well, I know she will.
I'm scared. I don't know what it. Wow. I'm oh my gosh. I'm legitimately shaking here. Okay. Oh my gosh.
So many layers.
Okay. I'm gonna do it now.
Go ahead.
I'm so excited and scared. Oh my gosh. It's the. Oh. Okay. It's the. It's the. I can't. They just include the bracelets. But it has the diamonds on the end and the tip. Oh my gosh. It looks really small, but I think my wrists are so small.
It does look ultra small.
It looks ultra small.
I went back and forth on sizing,
but I think this is the right, my wrists, I don't even know how to do it.
Yeah, they're super small.
I don't even know, let's put it on. What if it doesn't fit? I forget how you do it.
Isn't there a button or something?
You do it.
I don't know how to do it. I watch them do it, but I don't want to hurt it.
One moment. And we're back. We did
Figure it out.
helpful YouTube search, even though I've watched so many videos on this bracelet. And anyway, all you do is you push down on the nail head and then you push up on the end and then it, why can't I do it now? No,
Too much
okay. No,
pressure.
I did it. Okay, that's how you do it. So this, we haven't put it on yet.
Which side are you gonna put it on?
I don't know. I'm just putting it on here for, wait, is that right? Is that what I want? I'm just gonna put it on.
Yeah, we can just see
it
it.
totally fits perfect.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's so perfect. It's the perfect size. What size is this?
This is 15.
Okay, that's what I.
Thankfully, they came out with a 15 because I think.
Oh, it's so perfect.
Wow, that's really, really nice.
It is so nice. I don't know if I should wear it on this side or this side. I'll figure it out.
Comment down below.
This is the best. This, truly, like, you don't understand how much I have wanted
honestly,
this and love this. I love it.
You just deserve it so much, so
Well,
I
thank
like
you.
getting you things you
Thank you.
like and deserve.
You're the best. Truly, you really are. Well, I guess that's the video. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas with your family and whoever you're with. I hope next year is better.
It will be.
It will be better.
Positive vibes.
Positive vibes. I'm gonna go. Well, it's not really Christmas here, but I'm gonna go spend some time with my family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.